Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. I have launched a giveaway for our valuable subscribers. Amazon free gift cards will be given to our 2 lucky winners. We'll announce the first winner on coming Tuesday, so only 2 more days are left. Do participate in the giveaway. It doesn't even take 1 minute to complete the 5 given instructions. Now let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. If anybody needs the PDF link of yesterday's video, do download it, mentioned in the description box. Let's start. Who won the Miss World title 2018? Vanessa Pons, Anukriti Vas, Nicolene Limsnukan, Kanako Date. The answer is A. Vanessa Pons. She had won the Miss World title for 2018. The 68th edition of the Miss World pageant took place in Sanya of China on December 8th. Now, Manushi Chillar of India had crowned Vanessa Pons of Mexico. Vanessa Pons is the first Mexican woman to win the Miss World title. Now, so far from India, 6 people have been won this title. You need to remember all the 6 names, very important from exam point of view. The first Miss World title won from India is Rita Faria in the year 1966. She is also the first Asian to win the Miss World title, followed by Aishwarya Rai in 1994, Diana Hayden in 1997, Yukta Mukhi in 1999, Priyanka Chopra in 2000 and Manushi Chillar recently last year in 2017. So remember all these names, very important. Who are the protesters in Paris demonstrating against the government of President Emmanuel Macron? Yellow vest protesters, orange vest protesters, red vest protesters or blue vest protesters? The answer is A. Yellow vest protesters in Paris are demonstrating against the government of Macron. Now these protesters are named so because they have taken to streets wearing the high visibility yellow clothing that is required to be carried in every vehicle according to French law. Now last time we have discussed about the yellow vest protesters. They demanded to decrease the fuel prices in France and now they are demanding the resignation of the President Emmanuel Macron. River Narmada originates from which place? Amarkantak, Tibetan Plateau, Mahabaleshwar or Western Ghats? The answer is A. Amarkantak. Amarkantak range of mountains in Madhya Pradesh. Very important question asked many times in many exams. You need to remember all the rivers and their place of origin. Now Gujarat is facing the acute water crisis. The water resources have dried up almost. Now state government of Gujarat is making arrangements to ensure that Narmada water is provided to water deficit regions. Now river Narmada is also known as lifeline of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. It is the largest west flowing river of the peninsula. Which act was enacted by Parliament of India to stop female feticide? POSCO, PCPNDT, PShaw or NCW? The answer is B. PCPNDT. You need to know the full forms of each and every act enacted by Parliament of India so far. The full form of PCPNDT is Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act of 1994, enacted to stop the female feticides and arrest the declining sex ratio in India. The act bans the prenatal sex determination, and this act has been amended in the year 2003. Recently, Rajasthan government's Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques team has arrested 7 persons who are allegedly involved in sex determination test in 3 operations. The full form of POSCO is Protection of Children from Sexual Offences. PShaw is Prevention of Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace. NCW is National Commission for Women. If you're preparing for State Public Service Commission, then you need to study all these topics in detail, very important. The world's tallest railway bridge is being constructed in which of the following states of India? Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya or Jammu and Kashmir? The answer is A. Manipur. So remember, in the state of Manipur, the world's tallest railway bridge is being constructed. The Northeast Frontier Railway Construction Organization had put in place the tallest piers near Manipur's None for the tallest railway bridge in the world. China launches which of the following lunar probe mission? Chang'e 5, Chang'e 4, Chang'e 3 or Chang'e 2? The answer is B. Chang'e 4, very important, humanity's first probe to explore the far side of the moon. Now we can see only one side of the moon because the moon rotates around the earth at exact the same speed as it rotates around its own axis. So therefore same side of the moon is constantly facing the surface of the earth. We don't know what is on the other side of the moon, the darker side or the far side of the moon. So remember Chang'e 4 because very important from science and technology as it is a first humanity probe to explore the other side of the moon. Indian hockey team defeats which of the following country to reach quarterfinals in the Hockey World Cup 2018? Canada, Belgium, South Africa or Netherlands? The answer is A. Canada. Indian hockey team defeats Canada and confirms a berth in the quarterfinals in the Hockey World Cup 2018. Let's see the question for the day. Who is known as the Missile Women of India? Mention your answers in the comment section. The options are Tessie Thomas, Anuradha TK, Ritu Karidal or Meenal Rao. Very important question from science and technology. Now the answer for yesterday's question was December 7th. December 7th, since 1949, Armed Forces Flag Day is celebrated in our country to pay our tributes to those martyred in noble cause of serving the country, as rightly answered by few people like Mallesh, Sushil, Muhammad Ali, Afzalur Rahman, Kiran, Status 30 Seconds, Kabatullah SK. Thank you all guys for following and do participate in the giveaway. Comment on giveaway video what you'll do if you win the Amazon gift card. The quote for the day said by the famous Bill Gates, patience is a key element of success. Nothing happens overnight. Remember, Rome was not built in a day. So always be patient enough with can-do attitude. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow on time. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.